This is a 1970 Honda SL100. And the customer's saying it's hard starting and there's something wrong with the clutch. So first thing is take the carb out. It's always a good sign when fuel line breaks. The choke is sticking shut. The door, a little tiny hole, well, not tiny, half-inch hole, I'm pretty sure should open up as well. That passageway looks dirty. They made the bolt easy to remove on these old carburetors. Flip that up and pry the bolt off. Bolt's pretty clean. That jet looks pretty dirty. Can't see anything through it. Holes in the side of it, pretty clean. Sometimes one piece of wire doesn't work. So take two. If they fit, bottle brushes work pretty good because soft bristles made for cleaning paint guns. Something else that works good that I can't find is a MIG gun cleaner. Well, that's as clean as that's going to get. Check the main jet. That's clean. Only want to snug these down. Sometimes finding out where these jet passages go is a little bit of fun. That's what I like carb clean for. Do this at your own risk. You're into the jet with the nozzle. And when you have fluid coming out, you know it's as clean as you'll probably be able to get it. I can put this jet back in. Put the gasket back on. Then put the bowl on. Get the clamp on the right side first. And just snap it on until it clicks. That's the idle screw. This is the idle air screw. Gonna count the number of turns in. Half. Wow. It's about 3/4 of a turn in, which is half of what I've seen the minimum on anything else. Clean that out. Book says the air jet is supposed to be 1.5 turns out. So wind the screw all the way in, lightly seating it. Half, one half. Now to reinstall the carb. And do it backwards, so slide goes in first. Such a fine thread on these caps.